In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replicate another website on Lovable. Whether you're looking to develop a stunning web presence or simply streamline your design process, Lovable offers the tools you need to get started easily. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll want to visit the Lovable website. Open your browser and type in lovable.dev. This is where your journey begins as you step into the interface filled with possibilities for creating and customizing websites. Once there, look for the option to start a new project. This is your doorway to crafting a unique online space tailored specifically to your needs. After you've kicked off a new project, the next action is to click on Generate. This will allow Lovable's system to prepare the foundational structures needed for your site. It's here where the magic starts. Think of it as laying down the architectural plans for your digital project. When you proceed, you'll be prompted to enter the URL of the website you want to replicate. For example, you might consider typing in something like recreate a website, like apple.com, but with my brand name and colors. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for specifying what elements of your chosen site you want to carry forward. Here's a small tip to keep in mind. Aim for a modern and minimal layout that remains fully responsive. It's often beneficial to envision replacing the existing content with your company's information to provide a seamless integration of your brand into the new site that you're building. Next up, simply let Lovable AI do its work. This is the phase where all your provided details and inspirations coalesce into an actual website draft. Lovable leverages advanced technology to generate a site that mirrors the structural features of your chosen inspiration, all while personalizing it to reflect your unique branding. Once Lovable has created your site, take some time to customize the design. You'll have full control here, adjusting colors, forms, fonts, and other stylistic elements to ensure it authentically represents your brand's identity and message. Enhancing your site with engaging content is our next focus. Consider adding images, videos, and animations. These dynamic elements not only catch the eye, but also help tell your brand story compellingly and effectively. Finally, preview your site and make any necessary comparisons. Side-by-side comparisons with your initial inspiration can provide insights into adjustments or additional customizations you may need. Refine each element until you're satisfied with the outcome, ensuring every detail aligns with your initial vision. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using Lovable for replicating and personalizing a website to suit your needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you create something truly spectacular. Happy designing!